Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech with Steph, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to create a LinkedIn account and its functions and features that can help you land on your first IT job. Hi everyone, my name is Steph. So after uploading my video on how to get an entry-level IT job without an IT degree, without certificate, and without an experience, I've got some questions from you about LinkedIn. So I've decided to create this video on how you can prepare to create your account in LinkedIn, and as well as know how to maximize the use on LinkedIn for you to land on your first IT job. If you find this video helpful, click on the like button below and make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell for you to get notified when my next video is live. So to create a LinkedIn account, first open a browser and go to linkedin.com, and then you will select Join Now. Now on Join Now, you will put in your email address and type in the password that you want. Now put in your name. So I will put Miss Testmaster. Miss as the first name and last name is Testmaster, but of course you're going to put your first and last name here. And okay, click on right. You should verify, and then type in your country, postal code, and location. Okay. Now let's say most recent job, let's say it's IT analyst. Okay, and then select, let's say, full-time employment, and most recent company, let's say Xerox. Okay, and then continue. Now you will receive a code from your email address. So I have it here open, and then I'll just copy the verification code and paste it, then agree. Now you should select here if you're currently looking for a job or not, so I will select yes, and then type in the job title that you are interested in. So let's say IT analyst, and let's say location is Spain. Okay, and then next. So here you should turn on to share with recruiters, but in this case I will select no. I will turn off because this is just a sample. So click on done, and once you're done, here you go. This is your LinkedIn. So you would like to click on your profile. You would like to finish first your profile. Click on view profile. So you can add here your picture. Let's say we're going to add a picture. Okay, click on upload, and we're going to add, let's say, this picture. Save photo. So make sure that you have a professional picture here, and then you can add a background. I just randomly choose this background, let's say. But it's fine if you're not going to put any background here, just showing that you can put a background. So here it shows up to which part have you finished. So here is suggestions on what else you should add to complete your profile. So you can add work dates. So because we've selected this company, so add your work days. Select what work days you have and tick here if you're currently working here. Let's say March of 2018 started working there, and then done. Okay, now you should go to your education, add your education as well. Just follow these steps here to complete the your profile. Before I move on to the functions and features of LinkedIn, make sure that you like this video if you find this tutorial helpful, and share this to everyone you know that needs to see this video. I would like you to see this activity. So here is where you can post. All right, you can just click start post and then post or share anything that you would like to share, any professional things that you would like to share. And also here on the experiences, you can see your work experiences and then your interests. Okay, so from here you also have the chat. So we don't have any message yet, but you have the chat here, so you can chat anyone. And then network, here is where you add your networks. You can add persons, or you can search people that you know. This is the most interesting part, the job. So where you're going to search for a job. So let's say you're looking for an IT analyst job. And oops, I forgot to put the, okay, it's here. So it's Spain, let's say. So you can type in here whichever country or location you would like to work. And then here, as you can see, there will be, when it says alert on, you will be getting notifications when there is any new job post for this specific post in this location. So yeah, it's better to put this on. So here you can just apply on this button, and that's pretty much it. So now let's go back to your profile. On the profile, when you finished it, you will have to add your headline and your summary. So this is the headline. If I will click on edit, yeah, I can show it to you here. Okay, so from here you see the headline. I put here the my job title and where I'm working at. So current position is showing there as well. This is sync with the work experience that we've added earlier. Also, if you add education, you can also add it here. Okay, so you have your address and then the industry that you're working and your contact information. So for the contact information, I would recommend you to always put your email address here. So as you can see here, my email address is already here. So that's okay, and save. And one thing is you can also edit your URL here. So click on this pen icon and then just type in the URL that you would like to put in. So I would like to remove these numbers and just leave Miss Taskmaster. Again, just make sure to complete all these tasks. And also, please, this is very important, kindly add section and then about. Click on summary. So here you're going to put a summary about yourself. So here you are going to make a sentence that shows what are your interests, what drives you to this job, and what is your expertise. So again, this field is very important, same as your photo and the headline here at the top that says IT analyst. So those two are very, very important. So make sure that you add a section, a summary section, and then click on save. And another very important tool here is when you click on work, you have these tools here. So there is an e-learning here in LinkedIn. So you can take some courses. There are some courses that you can take, and some will be added on your certificates in LinkedIn. There is LinkedIn Premium, where you can access all of the courses that they have, but there are also free courses. Here we can see the live events with experts, and then you can see here what are the most common skills for the role as an information technology. They will give you a recommendation of the courses that you will take, that you can take. And also here there are some topics for you, and new releases topics and what's trending for now. Also some other courses that you can take. Now that you're ready to create your LinkedIn account, please make sure that you create a secure password. If you haven't watched my video yet about how to create a secure password, please do watch it. Good luck on your job hunt, and always remember, be safe, be secure online.